Nokia is a very old and excellent smartphone manufacturing company. Now, Nokia's new smartphone is coming to create a stir in smartphone market. If you also have a lot of faith in the Nokia phone manufacturer, and you like using Nokia phones the most, then you can think about buying Nokia's Nokia X200 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this you are going to get 200 megapixel DSLR camera. In today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia X200 Ultra. If we talk about the powerful features of this smartphone, then you will get to see a large 6.75-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, which will come with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Apart from this, features like fingerprint sensor, biometric unlock, and face unlock can also be seen in it. Camera quality. If we talk about the camera quality of the mobile, then inside this mobile you will get to see a triple camera setup at the back, whose main camera is going to be of 200 megapixels. Apart from this, other two sensors of 16 megapixels and 2 megapixels have been installed in it. If we talk about its selfie camera, then it has been given a 32 megapixel front selfie camera. Operating system. Talking about the operating system of this smartphone, you will get to see Android 15 operating system in it. And if we talk about the processor, it will have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Battery backup. Talking about the battery backup of the smartphone, you will get to see a powerful battery of 7000 mAh in it. Additionally, you will get support of USB Type-C charging port in it. Price or launch date. Now if we talk about the estimated price of this smartphone, then the price of the mobile in the world market can be around $600. And talking about the launch date, this mobile will be launched at the end of 2025.